In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your HubSpot deal pipeline. Whether you're just getting started with HubSpot or you're looking for ways to optimize your sales processes, customizing your deal pipeline is a great way to keep your operations aligned with your business goals. So let's dive right in. First things first, navigate to the HubSpot website. If you haven't bookmarked it yet, now might be a good time, especially if you find yourself returning frequently. Once you're there, pay attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see the login button, which you'll need to click to proceed. Once you've clicked on login, you'll be presented with various sign-in options. For many, the quickest route is to sign in using Google. If this applies to you, go ahead and click on Sign in with Google, then select the Google account associated with your HubSpot platform. This method saves you the hassle of remembering yet another password. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the left panel. This is the command center of your HubSpot experience. Look for and click on CRM. It's easy to find, but don't hesitate to use the search bar at the top if needed. With the CRM open, the next step is to click on Deals, which is also located in that left panel. This will direct you to your Deals dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the 6-dot icon in the top left. Clicking here switches your view to Board View, offering you a more intuitive layout to manage your deals. This view gives you a clear visual representation of where each of your deals currently stands, which can be particularly beneficial for visual learners or teams managing numerous deals at once. Next up is the sales pipeline dropdown. By clicking here, you'll get access to customization options. What you want to do is select Edit Pipelines. This takes you to the pipeline editing interface, where you can really start to tweak things to suit your business needs. In this pipeline management section, you have the freedom to edit existing stages or arrange them as you see fit, allowing for greater alignment with how you manage sales within your company. And if you feel that your sales process requires more stages, simply click Add Stage at the bottom of the page. This feature offers versatility and personal control over how you want to track your deals from initiation to closure. And that's it for today. You've now learned how to customize your HubSpot deal pipeline to better fit your business needs. Whether you're expanding your sales team or adjusting your approach, tailoring your pipeline ensures your tools are always working for you, maximizing both efficiency and effectiveness. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy selling.